Hello there and congratulations on getting your customer's first purchase. But don't let the celebration stop there. Now is your chance to really shine and turn that first-time shopper into a lifelong fan. And you might be asking how. So with a post-purchase flow that keeps your customer engaged and eager to come back for more. So think of post-purchase flow as an backstage pass to a VIP relationship with your customer. It's where you can thank them and provide them helpful info and even give them a sneak peek at future offers and ready to nurture your new relationship and turn one-time buyers into a loyal fans. So now let's dive in and create a flow that wows them from start to very finish. So, a post-purchase flow is a series of automated emails sent to a customer after they have completed an order. So these emails help you stay top of mind, ensure the customer feels appreciated, and give them plenty of reasons to come back for more. And the key is timeless and personal touch by providing order updates and offering personalized recommendations. And even asking for feedbacks, you are showing that you care about your customers more than their wallet. So, the first step is to log into your Klaviyo account, and after you have logged in, you are welcome to Klaviyo's dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you can see the option of the flows. So simply click this. So this is where you can automate your customers' interaction. So you might be asking, why use flows? It's because automation saves you time while keeping your customers engaged, and once you set it up, and Klaviyo will handle the rest with no manual emails needed. And after that, you can see the option of create flow here on the top right. So simply click this. And here is this post-purchase follow-up. So simply click this. And then you will be asked to put a name for this flow. So I'm simply keeping purchase flow. Let me fill this out quickly, and after that, simply click on this use template. So you might also be asking why these templates. So it's designed to guide customers from order confirmation to repeat purchases, and you can customize it to match your brand's tone and even its style. All right, so then you will be headed on to this page, and now let's quickly edit this flow according to my need. So now, keep one thing in mind that you need to put this triggered on placed order. So you might be asking, what does this do? So the moment a customer places an order, Klaviyo will automatically start sending your post-purchase emails, which is very simple and also effective as well. So now, simply let's drag this email block and drop it here. Then after that, now let's edit our first email. Then after that, you will be asked to put down a name and also put down the subject line and the preview text. So let me just quickly fill this up as well. So as you can see, I have filled out my name and also the subject line where I have kept thank you, we received your order, and also added an emoji. And you can add emojis simply clicking this, and also filled out my preview text as well. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see there are three email forms. So I'm going to simply click this drag and drop option. Let's click this, and there you have it. So as you can see on the screen, there are lots of templates that the Klaviyo has provided you with, so you can even use this template, or even you can create from the scratch. So if you want to create from the scratch, you need to simply click this create option, and after that, you will be headed onto this page. So now let's quickly edit this according to the design that our business has required. So as you can see, I have quickly uploaded my brand's logo and also uploaded a suitable image saying thank you to the customer, and also have added some sarcastic lines to it. So now let's quickly add the link to this images. So let me just quickly fill this out and put the link address. So once I have also added the link to the images, now simply let's go and preview and test our first email that we have created. So make sure you put it both on the desktop and mobile view as well. And after that, everything is done. Simply click this done. So as you can see, we have successfully created and designed our first email, and similarly, you can add more emails using this drag and drop and simply dragging these email blocks in this flow. So you can even add a time delays between emails, just as you can see on the screen, to maintain engagement without overwhelming customers and space your emails out. So for the first email, you can simply click this and adjust your time delays. So for this, I'm saying 1 day, and similarly, you can add more time delays depending upon 3 to 7 days after delivery, or even 7 to 10 days after post-delivery, and even 7 to 14 days after post-delivery. So this spacing keeps your brand top of mind without feeling intrusive. And after that, you can simply now review and turn on your flow. So click this and check if everything is done, and simply click this save option. And there you have it. So it says all configured actions in your flow are now set to live. So your post-purchase emails should feel like a friendly conversation, not a sales pitch. So focus on building relationship, providing value, and even keeping your customers engaged with you. So now that you know the strategy, it's time to implement your post-purchase flow and turn your new buyers into lifelong fans. So are you ready to take your email marketing to the next level? So once you're satisfied with your emails and you have activated a flow, let Klaviyo do its thing. And now every time your customer places an order, they will automatically receive your post-purchase emails. So by this, you have successfully created your post-purchase flow, and now you can create your own. And now I will see you guys on the next video.